In this video, I'm going to show you how to set up audio transmission settings in Anydesk step by step so you can quickly choose the correct playback device and make sure your audio is routed properly during a remote session. Whether you're helping someone troubleshoot, sharing sound for a presentation, or just trying to make your remote connection smoother, this is a simple setting that can make a big difference. If this video helps, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more easy software tutorials. Now let's get into it. First, open Anydesk on your computer. Once the app is open, look for the main menu in the upper area of the window. This is where you'll find the main controls and settings for the application. Go ahead and open the main menu, then select Settings from the list. Inside the Settings menu, you'll see several different categories. What you want to do here is go to the Audio section. This is the area where Anydesk lets you manage audio-related options for your remote connection. If you're not seeing the right sound output, this is the place to fix it. Once you're in the audio section, look for the option labeled Audio Transmission or Select Audio Device. This option controls which playback device Anydesk uses for sound. Click on the drop-down menu and you'll see all the available playback devices that are currently connected to your computer. Now take a moment to review the list carefully. You may see speakers, headphones, virtual audio devices, or any other connected output options. Select the device you want Anydesk to use. For example, if you want the sound to play through your headphones, choose your headphones from the list. If you want it routed through your speakers, select your speaker output instead. After you choose the correct audio device, the setting should be applied right away. In some cases, you may need to reconnect your session or test the audio to confirm everything is working properly. If the sound still isn't coming through the way you expect, go back into the audio section and make sure the correct device is selected. And that's it. You've now set up audio transmission settings in Anydesk and selected your audio device. It only takes a few clicks once you know where to look, and it can save you a lot of time when managing remote audio. If this tutorial helped, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more helpful step-by-step guides. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.